I'm not gonna lie, this is probably by far the hardest shit I've ever tried to do. I'm trying to learn coding, I'm trying to learn robotics, I'm trying to learn frameworks, I'm trying to learn dev kits, I'm trying to learn tools, I'm trying to learn zip files, I'm trying to learn all this stuff and configurations and all that. I've been about 11 hours at this, and it is 11 o'clock. So, trying to set up my ESP32-S3s with PlatformIO, VSCODE, and ESP-IDF. There are plenty of videos on YouTube. Trust me. I am using YouTube. I'm using Google. I am using Grok. I am using ChatGPT. I am using Manus. All of this. And I'm still 11 hours just trying to get it just to something to work so I can play with this stuff. Good gosh. I literally watched a month's worth of videos, and I'm going step by step using all these different tools, and it's still time consuming. Very, very stressful, but I got a feeling this is all going to be worth it in the long run. Because half the times when it's doing small stuff like that, I don't even know what to look for. You know, it's like it's a loading task. Like I'm thinking, hey, it's still red and like that. I'm sending stuff into Google, hoping this is working. If I pull this off, if I can pull this off, then you can do this too. Because I don't know any of this. But from what I've been seeing, you have to just go through this one time hard time, and then we're ready to rock and roll. So we'll see how this goes.